Sparkle paper towels help you handle your everyday messes at a value that's just right. Each pick-a-size double roll has 110 2-ply sheets and is equal to 2 regular rolls. With pick-a-size sheets, you always have exactly what you need to fit the task at hand. Great for everyday kitchen and household cleanup with even more uses for food prep, DIY projects, outdoors and more. 8 double rolls equals 16 regular rolls. Modern white, 110 2-ply sheets per roll, 11 by 6 in sheets. Reach for Sparkle pick-a-size paper towels when you need either full or half sheets to handle life's everyday twists and turns, from unavoidable messes and spills to last-minute art projects and all the routine cleanups in between. With Sparkle paper towels on hand, you'll always be prepared for whatever comes your way at an affordable price to boot. Sparkle, make the bright choice.